Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Satin Ice. Today I'm going to show you how to make some galaxy fondant cookies. The fondant colors I'm using are silver shimmer, black, purple, and blue. Some of the supplies you'll need is a rolling pin, a cookie cutter, some star cutters, and some water and a paintbrush. After you have each color portioned out and kneaded, begin to make a log of each color. You'll want to save some shimmer fondant for later for your stars. To create the marble galaxy effect, twist and fold your logs until the colors start to blend together. Once the marble effect forms, roll out your fondant and cut out a circle. Use some water to adhere the fondant to your cookie. The cookie looks great just like this, but we can elevate it even more by adding silver shimmer stars. Roll out some silver shimmer fondant and cut out your stars. Brush a tiny bit of water on top of your cookie where you wish to place your stars. Begin to place your stars on your cookie. In just a few easy steps, you have an awesome galaxy cookie. Tag us Satin Ice on Facebook and Instagram to show us your galaxy creations.